What's going on, everybody? This is Nick with HJ Cards, opening up 4 boxes of Bowman Mega Box. Only available at Target. Can't seem to find them at Target, so I had to go through a secondary vendor. We've opened some already. We've done okay. We've done pretty good the last few boxes, in my opinion, but nothing super spectacular yet. So here we go. I'm gonna open them all up and then separate the packs from the boxes, and we'll go from there. Again, these Bowman packs aren't going to have anything but base and chrome, so oops, sorry, let me fix that. So don't look for them. Try to rip through those really quick. Save those for last. Do these first, and here we go. Say we've averaged like 1 autograph for every 4 or 5 boxes. Cardenas Garcia Chrome. Paper. John Diaz paper. Mata Bishop Chrome. Torres on the back. Acuna on the back here. Bellinger, Mauricio Holsizer, Jaron Duran Chrome, good one. McNeil, Tatis, Apostle, Pereira, Esteban Florial, Luis Robert, Chrome. Aquino, rookie. Keep knocking that. Jaron Duran paper. Pache Whitley Chrome. Paper. Seems like the Dominguez's are hard to come by in the paper. Rutledge, Cruz, Wynn, Cantillo, Chrome. Luis Gil, Adley Rutschman, Antonio Cabello, Chrome, K. Toro Savali. Bryant paper, Wander Franco paper, that'll be good. Chrome, Dustin May, Trent Grisham. Jeez, these packs so hard. Horner rookie, Kirilloff, Ryan, Yamamoto, Otani on the back. Bo Bichette rookie, Shortridge, Anderson Chrome. Kyle Lewis, Encarnacion, Bryson Stott, second-year prospect, Vlad Jr. Varios, Judge, Hoskins, Florial, Wander Franco Chrome, not bad, second-year Chrome, still valuable. Springer, Bennett, Perez. No Wicks, no Parsons, no Dominguez. Luciano, Thompson, Trout, Paper, and Lindor. Those seem to be a combo pairing as well. Hunter Bishop. Bryson Stott again. All right, last pack of regular Bowman. Loriano, Yastrzemski, Amaya, Sam Huff, Paper, Mata, Pena. So those were that was very uneventful. 4 boxes. Nothing really good came out of them. All right, let's see if this makes up for it. All right, pack number 1, Mega Pack. Jazz Chisholm on the back. Madrigal, Chisholm, Xavier Edwards, Nico Holsizer, Sean Murphy. Rookie of the Year insert, that is. Trammell, Manoah insert. Oh no, it's not. I'm sorry, that's a regular Manoah. Shortridge, Welker, Wander Franco spanning the globe. That's a good one. We've got a gold in here, so we'll set that aside. We've got an auto in here. We may have to set this one aside, possibly. Nah, never mind. I just saw the team, so it's probably nobody fancy. Wander Franco, Mojo Refractor. Luis Garcia, Hunter Riley Green. I'm going to say Hunter Riley. Nick Bennett. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. That's a very tiny autograph. 122nd overall. Julio Rodriguez, Lodolo, Garcia, Mize, Luis Roberts spanning the globe parallel. That's a good one. Gunnar Henderson, Kristen Pache, getting him a lot of Joe Ryan too. Tarek Skubal, Kyle Lewis, Rookie of the Year inserts. Sherton Apostle, Jacob Maya, Shortridge, Cruz, Jesus Luzardo, Rookie of the Year favorites. The last pack before we see what that gold is. Jason Dominguez on the back. There's a blue. Bobby Witt Jr. again. Jason Dominguez. Glenn Allen Hill Jr. also. Aaron Ashby Blue Refractor. Numbered 139 of 150. All right, here we go. Let's see what this gold one's gonna be. Of Adbert Alzolay, Rookie of the Year insert. Nolan Gorman. Zach Brown, Devi Garcia, and Helio Ramos spanning the globe. Gold Mojo Refractor number 11 of 50. So nobody's too special. Still color insert. There you go. That does it for this set of 4 boxes. You can find these cards if they're available on eBay, HJ Cards. You can click on link to get there easier, or you can just look for HJ_cards on eBay directly. We'll talk to you next time. See ya. Thank you.